What's up, you guys? In today's video, we're going to be creating my blog in under 10 minutes, and we're starting right now. If you're new here, my name is Francis. I mostly do entrepreneurship videos, make money online, and I share my experiences and my journey with you guys here on this channel. So I invite you to go down, hit that subscribe button, take that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any future video that I put out when I put them out. Also, drop me a comment about what you think about this video, if you have your own blog or what you're doing or the strategies you're implementing in your business currently, or if you're just starting out, just let me know in the comment section. And also give this video a thumbs up to make the video perform very well on YouTube as well. Share this video on social media, share with your friends, and all those good stuff. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it, and we'll be talking about how we're going to make this blog off the ground, take this blog off the ground right now. You know, the blog, I'm going to be talking about some cool stuff about making money online relating to my niche on YouTube, as well as putting some valuable content right there. I'm also going to be creating my portfolio in the long run, making it more of like a website in the future, maybe create a portfolio page on it and all those cool stuff that revolves around my brand. That's what I may be doing on the website on the long run, you know, changing the blog to the website. It's very simple, it's nothing complicated, just the same thing, just add the blog section and the website section like other pages. The pages are like the website, while there's a blog section as well. So let's jump right into it, and we'll be getting it off the ground right now. First things first, what we're going to do is once you log into your Bluehost portal, once you create an account, you purchase your domain name, you're going to come to the back end. This is how the Bluehost back end looks like, and this is where you can be creating your blog and all that, or create your website. And here's where you want to be when you want to start your website. You know, you can click the first link in the description box to purchase your own domain name and your own hosting on Bluehost, and then you can follow up with this tutorial. So once you log in after buying your domain name and getting your hosting with Bluehost, and you're at the home page, your back end of your Bluehost account like this, your domain is going to appear on the domain section right here. First things first, I'm going to come right here to my site. On this my site tab, we'll just come here and click create site. It's that simple. And the site name, I'm just going to put the site name, which is Francis Abogonye. And happiness starts. You can just put any tag. You can just say helping, sharing my experience, sharing my online experience. Okay, I click continue, and right here we want to select the domain which you register, the domain you have already. When you want to select this right here, I want to click right here on this tab and look for the one I want, Francis Abogonye. That is the domain I want to build a website on, which I'm going to go next. I want all these free plugins to be attached to my website because it's going to be a WordPress website. Click next. Alright, like as you can see right here, it says WordPress installed successfully. So we've installed WordPress on the site. It's that simple. This is how to get it done, guys. Now what we're going to do right here is follow this guide and this checklist right here, which I'm going to take the first one, which is choose domain name right here, get hosting. We're done with this part, which the next stage is this one. We just completed this one just now, which is install WordPress. Now I'm going to change my password. Now in doing so, let's go change my password right now. Now in both ways, I can choose to change my password on my email. I can go to my email because there's an email to me and change my password from there, or I can just log into the website and I can also change it from the website. Now you'll be faced with this phase which is saying welcome to WordPress. What kind of sites can we help you set up? Is it a business or a personal site? Well, for me, I'll just say I don't need help. I'm just gonna click this right here because you can follow this if you want. It's a tutorial. It can just show you what to do and get your site up and running ASAP. So I'm going to change my password real quick. Come right here, come to edit my profile. I'm going to add my name. First name is Francis. Oh, sorry. Last name is Abogonye. You want to the site. So I'm going to change my password right here. Alright, then I'm gonna click update profile. So I'm just gonna go right here and tick this one. So I'm done with all this. So make sure you complete each and every step, and once you're done with any step, just come on, tick the box right here. Okay. Alright, So we're already logged in. Let's just take this one. We're already logged in. The dashboard tour. This is just how it looks like. Pretty much it. This is pretty much it. Some cool information useful here. You can follow some of the informations right here and get started as well. So I'm just going to take this one. I don't see much that we can do there. Let's just head over to permalinks, which is the next stage. You'll come right here to settings. You know, when you come to settings, permalinks, click right here. So you want to change this to post name. This is very important. You want to change this to post name. So whatever page you create for your website, it's going to be like, it's going to show like francisabogonye.com/ let's say you're creating how to make money post. Post. It's going to say francisabogonye.com/ how to make money post. If it's an about page, going to be like francisabogonye.com/ about. This is how the URL is going to look like. So that's why we're changing this to post name. You might want to do that. It is very important. Make sure you click the save once you're done with that section. So once we click the save, we're going to go back to this area and click on permalinks done. What about the theme? Alright, let's go and install a theme right now. Now to install theme, we're going to go to appearance, theme, click on theme. Yeah. So here are some themes you can use. If you don't want, you can maybe come right here and click add new. I want to change the website theme. Now let's look at how the website look right now, so I can change it to what I want to change it to. Let's look at what it looks like right now. This is the theme that is already installed right here. It's called 2017 theme. This is how it looks like right now. You see? So I'm just going to install a new theme, which is I like this theme called Astra. Just like it's a free theme, you can use it. You know, see it, Astra. I like it a lot. You can use it. So I'm just going to install it, activate it, make sure it's activated. Boom, that's it. We have a new theme. All I can do is just reload, and you can see our website now looks different. And hit on theme, right? So what next is plugins. We'll just go right here to plugins section and add new. There's some plugins I just want to install first because I'm going to be using them. The first one I'm going to be putting right here for my website is Elementor. It's a page builder. I like it a lot. Elementor, yeah. Install, activate. The next one I want to install, come to add new, content from 7, very important. This next one is called Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is an SEO plugin. You're gonna need this a lot. It's very helpful, especially when you're using the premium version. Pretty link. Oh, sorry. So now I'm done with installing plugins. I'm just gonna check that. Write your first blog post. I've already written my blog post right here, so I'm just gonna use what I've already written right here. And we're gonna be deleting this hello world. You can see right here it's saying hello world. We're gonna be deleting it right now. So I'm gonna come right here and click trash. Then come to trash. Make sure you want to delete permanently. So I want to add a new post. Adding a new post, I copy the title already. I'm just gonna paste it right here. Alright, I'm gonna paste this right here as well. Just copy all this. Just Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy everything there, and come right here and paste. I'm just gonna let me take this one. Yeah, I'm done with this. Take this one right here. I'm gonna be uploading an image, you know, for the featured image. I'm gonna upload a featured image right here for this post. No post, no video, no picture, no nothing right here. Click. Okay, so I'm gonna click this for featured image. Alright, this is cool. Then I'm gonna be what next? Come right here and take this. Alright, add more blog posts. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing this pretty much later, so for the sake of this tutorial, that one is okay. Leave this one right here. Add a favicon and a logo, and I'm just gonna create a tag for this. You want to add a tag. Alright, I can just add this 2 tag. They're cool. And I can maybe add a category. Yep, that is fine. I can throw that right there. Publish. Then we can see how the website looks. Right? Now, here is it. Simple and short. My blog is ready. you can see my blog is ready right here. You can click here to read more, and this is how it goes. The next stage is to add a logo and a favicon. So in doing so, on this section I'm going to come right to customize. So once you're on the customize section, what you want to look at is you come to the layout section, you come to the header, you come to site identity. At this section you say logo, you're going to select here, then go to upload. I'm going to upload the logo. Here's my logo, I already made it right here. I just want to skip cropping, right? So let's see how it looks right now. Nah, this is way too big. Now we're gonna reduce this. I'm gonna take out this site title because we already have a logo that says France Sabogonia. We don't want to have it twice. Just check that site title. I don't want to have it. That's display site title. Now I want to add a site icon. So I'm gonna go to upload. This is the favicon logo. This is the one for the favicon. There you have it. You can see the favicon is already appearing right here. The logo is already here. So we're going to check this right now. Create a home page and a contact page. Don't leave here without publishing. Make sure you publish before leaving. Pages. This sample page that's already showing here, I'm going to delete that. Which is this one. Trash it. And delete permanently. So we're going to be adding some couple of pages, which I just need like 3 pages right now. Later I'm going to be working more on some of the other pages. The first one is going to be home. Then I'm just going to hit publish. Now the home page is there. I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call this one the blog page. That is where that blog is going to exist. This is the blog, publish. The about page is going to have the contact page, so we can call it the about or contact page. Alright, so let's just call it contact page. Keep calling it about page. I don't want a sidebar in it. I don't want a sidebar. I just want it to be a page. I don't want no sidebar. I want it to be fully stretched, and I want to disable title. Then publish. You can go back here and take this one. So we want to do some things right now, which we want to make the home page, make blog page, and also create a menu. We'll come to settings and come to reading. How you want to read the site, how you want the site to appear. Now your home page displays as what? Your latest post or a static page. Now we want the home page to be a static page, not the post page. The post page should be the blog page, right? So the static page, we're going to select right here. We're going to say home. Then for the post page, I want it to be blog. I'm going to leave everything as it is. Then I'm just going to save changes. Now let's go and create the menu. To create the menu, we're going to come to appearance tab, come to menu section right here. I'm going to be creating a new menu, which is we're going to call it main menu, right? Then create menu. Now we have a main menu, and to do this, we're just going to add everything right here. This tree, we want them to appear on our main menu. Add them to menu. We're just going to add this to the menu. Then here we can now tweak and rearrange how we want them to look. So I want the home to be up. I want the blog section to be right here. You know, then I'm just gonna display it as the primary menu. So I'm gonna save right here. Now let's take a look at our blog and see what it looks like. So let's click on this logo right here, which will take us to the home page, and let's see how it looks like. Now you can see the home is on home, blog is right here, and contact is right here. When we click right here, it will take us to the blog page. Now as you can see beneath this, it's saying powered by Astra, and I want to change this. To do that, I'm just going to go right to customize. I want it to be something I want. Then once this appears, I want to go to layout. I want to go to footer. I want to go to the bar. Then I want to change this right here. You know, I want to change this right here. I can say Francis Abogonia. Then I can put this sign and say all rights reserved. Reserved. So I'm going to hit on publish right here. So as you can see right here, it is now showing Francis Abogonia all rights reserved. So we're working on the sidebar right now, which is pretty much the last thing we're going to be doing right here. Come right here to work on this sidebar. What we're going to be doing is go to the widget section. Just click on widget, and what do we actually want to add on the sidebar? We have a search, we have recent posts, just like it is right here. We have the search section right here, recent post, comment archive. So I'm just gonna add more of like a text. I just want a text to be right there. I want a text, maybe a little about me. I can just talk about myself a little bit right here. I'm just gonna say a little bit about myself right here. I'm gonna add like about me. Let's say about me. Save this and as well click done. I'm done with that. So let's go and look at how it looks like on our site. So on this blog tab that has the sidebar, just gonna reload right here. Same blog. See, that is how it looks right here. The about me and all that. This is how it looks. I like the way the website is coming together right now. So this is pretty much it, and you can see when we go to the home page, it's showing francis@bourgogne.com. It's not showing /home, but if you go to contact, it's showing francis@bourgogne.com/contact. When you go to blog section, it's showing francis@bourgogne.com/blog. This is the blog section right here. Then when you click on the read more, look at what happens. It changed to francis@bourgogne.com/how to make $100 with affiliate marketing as a beginner. You see, this is how. This is the most important part. This is why I said you should make sure you check the permalinks, because it's very, very important and all that. So now we've come to the end of this tutorial. You can click the link in the description to get your own hosting, and also make sure you get this blog checklist. Just click the link right there. It's going to take you to a page where you're just going to put your name and your email, and you can get your copy of this checklist right here. And also you can click here if you want to read a full blog article on how to create a blog from scratch, step-by-step article. If you want to see that, you can go right there. So that'll be all for now, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.